Okay. Alright, so what I'm doing here is that I want the inside of this to be black, and I want these ribs to stay blue. And really just the tops of the ribs to stay blue. So the rest of this I want to be black. So what I'm doing here is I'm just running the tape around these ribs. And then that's gonna give me what I'm shooting for here. If I ever run across the car or end up buying a car, which I would like to do one day, that's all original or original car, you know, factory paint, I would not take a car like that and alter that car at all. But these cars that I'm getting, they're not original. I mean, I guess, you know, you can restore them to original, but to me, they still are never original. So with that, I'll customize the inside and out. I do interior work too. I mean, one day I'm gonna get to some videos where I'm showing, gonna show how to do upholstery work. But right now, I'm just trying to get this other stuff done. So, what I'll do is I'll take a razor blade and cut these ends off. I'll keep this little strip in here blue. All the rest of this will be black. So, I'll take a razor blade. I'll come in here. And I will cut this off. Like I said, if I get a car that's original, I would not alter that car at all. So just the etching primer. Let that dry, and then I'll come back with the black. Okay, so what I got going on here is that I got this all taped up. I edge primed it. Now I want to get this black in here. Okay, when you pulling the paint tape off and the paint is kind of not quite dry, you just got to watch it. But I did this before I started filming, but I normally just get it started there. And you know, also you don't want to leave this tape on too long, because you can end up with it hard to come off. So all those guys out there that wanna do a little something decorative with your fan, especially if you gotta replace it, got a new one. This one, it wasn't a lot of grease on it, so I just kind of scuffed it up, you know, and the paint's sticking just fine. So now you know you got the blue and the black. Yeah, pretty nice. Well, I like it. For all you original type guys, oh well. But that's the way it's done.